All right, cleaners, I got a weird one for you today. If you have a Google business profile, you need to make sure that you're keeping it up to date and make sure that all the information on your business profile is correct at all times, because you could be susceptible to an attack from a competitor who is trying to knock you out of your map rankings on Google so that you'll stop getting calls for carpet cleaning jobs and they can sit there and soak up those calls instead. That was the case with one of our clients here at BookCleaningJobs this week. And as a matter of fact, it looks like the attack is still ongoing. So I'm going to show you exactly how this attack works, what we figured out is going on here. And if this is happening to you, I'll tell you how you can identify the issue and how you can potentially fix it. So this client, Chris at Supreme Gleam Team, reached out to me this week and said that the number of calls he was getting from his Google business profile were way down, and that this seemed like it was really out of the norm. And normally this time of month, it's the middle of the month, I would think to myself that maybe it's just this is the slow period in the month. A lot of people get paid around the 1st and the 15th. So sometimes that second week of the month, sometimes around the 7th to the 15th is a little slow. That wasn't the case here. Chris was absolutely right. He was not getting phone calls because his Google business profile was no longer showing up in Catonsville, Maryland, where he's from. And so the reason that happened is because one of his competitors has gone through the trouble of relocating this company's map pin from his actual location here in Catonsville, Maryland. You can see the map pin is no longer showing, right? Let me go back because you're not going to catch this unless you're looking closely. All right. Look up here. You see the map pin? That's where the map pin is supposed to be. You can see his address is here in Catonsville, Maryland. Okay. I'm going to click on the map. Where'd the map pin go? Where'd it go? I'm going to show you. And you might be as pissed off as I was when we figured this out. Here's Catonsville, Maryland. It's west of Baltimore. Here's where his map pin has been moved to. Yeah, it's bad, dude. It's that bad. Look how far away that is from Baltimore. His map pin is way up here in Bel Air, Maryland. Now, the reason that I'm positive this is a competitor attack is because if you zoom in on this map pin, there is a surprisingly large concentration of carpet cleaners right here next to this Chick-fil-A. All right, you only see Supreme Gleam Team right now. That's our client. Let's look a little closer. Who do we got? Hydro Clean. I Give Quality, Not Quantity Floor Cleaning. Bright Cleaners, MD, DSE, Carpet Cleaning. Baltimore, Quick Dry, Total Cleaning. Look at these Catonsville Carpet Cleaning. All these carpet cleaning companies all bunched up right here in this little area, way the heck away from Baltimore and from Catonsville and these suburbs where these carpet cleaners are actually located. Now, Supreme Gleam Team is our client, so we're working on this. And yesterday we had this issue fixed, and now today it's popped back up again. So we know that somebody out there is doing this actively right now to try to push him off of Google Maps. And it's effective. The way that we think this works is that a local guide in your area, somebody who is submitting a lot of reviews on Google, enough reviews to achieve a local guide status, they're able to just go in, and any average user can do this too. But if a local guy does it, I think it's way more likely that Google accepts the change. What they're doing is they're going in and they're suggesting to Google an edit to your map page, to your Google business listing. So they're going in and they're suggesting that your map pin be moved way far away from where you actually are. So that's what's happened here. Supreme Gleam Team's competitor has moved him from way over here in Catonsville, Maryland, to way up here in Bel Air, which has knocked him off the map in his local area and put him on the map potentially in some area that he doesn't serve, which is frustrating. So we're going to get this fixed up again. The way to fix this up, by the way, is if you want to go suggest to Google and edit, you can log into your Google Maps app on your phone, go search for your company name and the city that you're in and go pull up your map listing and then go suggest an edit and try to move your map pin back to where it's supposed to be located. So that's one way to do it. Another way, we'll try it here. No guarantees if this will work, but we'll try it here and see if we can pull it off. Another way to do it is to edit your business information, go to your location, and then adjust the map pin. But what you'll notice here is that this map pin is in the right area, right? So when you log into your own Google business profile and try to fix the map pin, it might look correct to you. This might look like your map pin is in the right place. And you may not realize that you're having an issue until you go look at your actual Google business listing and see that your map pin is not where you expect it to be. That fix didn't work. From what I can tell right now, the easiest fix is to go in and suggest an edit to your page. If you have somebody who's a local guide, have them suggest an edit to your page and hope that Google will pick that up. We're going to try to get some information out to Google Business Profile Support and see if we can find out anything from them. And we will keep you updated. But Things to be aware of. If you're managing Google business profiles for people, or if you own a carpet cleaning business or some other type of cleaning business and your Google business profile is dealing with this type of attack, sorry, man. This is super nasty. I hate that it's happening. It's affecting one of our clients right now, and we're on top of it trying to keep it fixed. But this is something to look out for. So, realities of owning a cleaning business, you're going to have nasty competitors. Whoever that is in the Baltimore area, karma's going to come get your ass for sure. All right. If you've seen this before, let me know in the comments. If this video is helpful, hit like. If this video makes you angry as hell, hit like, because it makes me pretty angry too. Leave me a comment and let me know what you think about this. If you've got a better solution to this too, please let me know. We're deep in research mode, getting this taken care of so that we don't have to deal with this on a daily basis. But right now, we're just logging in and fixing this daily. Ruben at Book Cleaning Jobs. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. If you need help, go to bookcleaningjobs.com, request time to speak with us, and I'll talk with you soon.